Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Planet. In this video we will see how to use ribbon type of menu which appeared from 2007 Excel. Microsoft made a dramatic change. Let me go to the ribbon command screen. These are the ribbon tabs we will see now. Microsoft made a dramatic change to the user interface, that is traditional menus and toolbars were replaced with ribbon. The words above the icons, these are the icons, and the words above the icons are known as tabs. Home tab, insert tab, etc. Most users find the ribbon is easier to use than the old menu system of 2003. Also, it is very easy to customize this ribbon. The ribbon can either be hidden or visible. It's your choice. To toggle the ribbon visibility, use the shortcut key Ctrl F1. Please see now. Ctrl F1. The commands are all hidden. Again Ctrl F1. Commands have come back. Or double click at the tab. For example, if you are in Home tab, just double click. If you are in Formula tab, double click. It will hidden. Again double click, it will come. If ribbon is hidden, it temporarily appears when you click a tab and hides itself when you click in the worksheet. You see, it is hidden in the worksheet when the worksheet view, and if you click here, it will come back. So title bar has a control named ribbon display options next to help button. You see, this is a ribbon display options. You want to auto hide the ribbon or show the tabs or show tabs and commands. Show tabs means only the tab, home insert tab will be shown. Auto hide means nothing is there. If you click here, it will come. If you click somewhere else, it will get hidden. So it is called auto hide. And third one is show tabs and commands. Fully it will be shown. You also can click here. That is, it's equivalent to shortcut key Ctrl F1. It is hidden, and double click on the tab. It will come back. Now we will see one by one the ribbon tabs. First, Home tab. This is the main tab. You will probably spend most of your valuable time for formatting. This tab contains basic clipboard commands, formatting commands, style commands, clipboard command, formatting command, style command, to insert and delete rows, columns, insert, delete rows, column, formatting commands, editing commands. Then the tab insert. Here you will use this tab when you need to insert something into the worksheet, like table, pivot table, then pictures, shapes, etc., recommended charts and other charts, then sparklines, filters, hyperlinks, then text, then symbols. Then the page layout tab. This tab contains commands that affect the overall appearance of your worksheet, including settings that deal with the printing. This is fully related to view of the screen, page layout screen, as well as for the printing, page setup. This is fully related to printing, scale to fit, how to width adjustments, sheet options for printing, then arrange the windows. Then the formulas tab. This is a tab to insert a formula, name a cell, range, then access the auditing tools like trace precedent, trace dependents, remove arrows, and to control the way Excel perform the calculations. Calculate now, calculate only the sheet, or calculate options like manual calculation, which we will see later in a separate video. These are the formulas. Nearly 450 plus functions are there, and they have categorized according to financial, logical, text, etc. Then the data tab. This is a most widely used tab for data analytics persons. Excel's data related commands are on this tab, including data validation. See, get external data. You can get data from Access, web, text, then other sources. These are the sources you can get data from outside. Then you can sort and filter the data, you can refresh connections here, then data tools like text to column, flash fill, remove duplicates. This flash fill is not available up to 2010. Then data validation, widely used command, then consolidate, what if analysis, then outlining of the data, you can group the data, you can ungroup the data. Then the review, this tab contains tools to check spelling, translate words and comments. This is like reviewing your completed written book. Then view, this is a tab which contains commands control various aspects of how a sheet is viewed. Some commands on this tab are also available in the status bar, like workbook view, this is the status bar views, same is available here. Then show grid lines or headings, so if you click grid lines it will go, if you click grid lines you see here grid lines gone, grid lines can come back, headings gone, headings can come back. Formula bar, this is the formula bar, formula bar, if you click here formula bar is gone, if you want you can get it back. Zoom, this is also zoom available here. Then window, you can arrange the windows. Then the developer tab, this tab will come only if you customize the menu. Then the power pivot, this is the add-ins, this is the add-in, visible only if you loaded an older workbook or add-in that customize the menu or toolbar, because menus and toolbars no longer available in Excel 16. So this user interface customization appears on the add-ins tab. This developer is not visible by default. It contains commands that are useful for programmers like macro developers, VBA developers. You want to choose file options, here you have to go to choose file options, then select the customize ribbon. In the customize ribbon selection you have to make a tick mark in the developer tab and place a check mark to the comments. Now you come to know that there are contextual tabs which are not visible in the normal way. For example, if you are selecting this, you see you are up to power pivot is there. If you see this, if you put Ctrl T, shortcut for creating a table, and you are creating a table now, you see this is a table which we will discuss later in a detailed manner. As of now, to see the contextual tab, see after pivot table tools design has come. This is called contextual tab. This tab, in addition to standard tabs, Excel includes this contextual tab. Whenever an object, table is an object, is selected, specific tool for working with that object are made available in the ribbon. This is the design tab made available based on this table. If I remove this table or change this table to range, this tab will go out. You see, after clicking somewhere else, this tab will go. If I click again in the tab, this has come. If I click here, it will go. So contextual tab appear when a chart or object like table is selected. In this case, it has two contextual tabs or one contextual tab depending upon the object selected. When contextual tab appear, you can of course continue to use all other tabs also. You can use all other tabs also. You see, now I am removing this table, I am converting this to range. Go to data, right click, this you see convert to range. Yes, now you see this table has gone, the tab also gone. Hope you understood different types of tabs like home, insert, page layout, format, formulas, data, column, review, view, developer, add-ins, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, post your comments and queries. Please subscribe to my channel Excel Planet and watch my previous and future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye.